Hi guys! Today we're going to learn how to return a gift from Amazon. First, open the Amazon app on your phone. Once the app opens, look at the bottom left side. You'll see the profile icon. Tap on the profile icon to access your account options. Here, you'll find different menu items that lead to your orders and settings. From the profile menu, tap on your orders. You'll see a small arrow next to it. Click on that arrow to open your list of orders. This is where all the items you purchased or received as gifts are listed. It's a quick way to find exactly what you want to return. Scroll through your orders and select the item you want to return. Tap on that specific order to open the detailed view. This step ensures you're returning the right item without any mistakes. Even if it's a gift, you can proceed from here. Now, in the order details, tap on Return or Replace Items. Choose the reason for the return from the list that appears, then schedule your return or pickup according to your convenience. If it's a gift, remember the return will be processed from the sender's account, not yours. And that's how you can easily return a gift from Amazon. It's quick, simple, and works for any item you receive as a gift. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe for more helpful guides and let me know in the comments if it worked for you.